Welcome students, class 11th, worksheet 3. Today the chapter we are going to discuss is multimedia. So what is multimedia? Actually multimedia is term of multi and media. Multi means many and media means media is something that can be used for presentation of information or to present something. There are two types of basic type of informations are present. First one is unimedia and second one is multimedia. Unimedia means a single media used to present information. That is, I am using only audio to explain this chapter to you. It is unimedia. When I am using text plus audio, both combination of this is called video, that is called multimedia. Multimedia means it is a presentation of any information greatly enhance the comprehension capability of the user, as it involves use of more of our sense. In case of computer system, media used commonly for storage access, that is text means alphanumeric character, that makes multimedia. That the first thing that we need text. The second thing graphics. Graphic means the lines and drawings or an image. Next one is animation. Animation means a moving image or an image with emphasis. Next thing is audio. Audio means sound. And the last thing is video. Video means videographic live event. Multimedia is an information technology referred to use of more than one of these media for information presentation to user. That we can use text and graphics to present information to user, means any of two from these common media can make a multimedia. It can be text and graphic, it can be text and animation, it can be text and audio, it can be text and video. Any two from these 5 common medias. Now next, what is a multimedia computer system need? Multimedia computer system is a computer having capability of integrate 2 or more type of media, that can be text, graphic, animation, audio and video. In general, size of multimedia information is much larger than plain text information. So multimedia computer require faster CPU, large storage device for storing large data file, large main memory for large data size, good graphic terminals, input output devices to play any multimedia. So this is the thing what an multimedia computer system need to make a multimedia file. Not all the multimedia computer system need to have all these features like listed above. For example, a computer system that does not have the capability to handle audio and video media can still be called multimedia computer system because it can still handle text and graphics. So it can also be called a multimedia computer system. Instead, it is only handle text and graphic information. Now we have some multimedia components. The very first multimedia component is text. Text means alphanumeric and special character that are used to present information in the form of text. Computers are used widely for text processing. For text processing, some softwares are also comes into use, that is word processor, notepad and any other type of editing softwares. The hardware requirement that we have for text media is keyboard. Keyboard is used for typing. OCR means optical character recognizers are used to direct input of printed text to computer. That is basically OCR is also called scanner that convert image to digital information. And printers. There are some commonly used hardware devices for processing text media. And some software requirements for text are text editing, text styling, text searching. Text editing means text editor and word processing package that are generate, edit and format a text properly. Second one is text searching. Text searching means uses of text information can be enhanced greatly by text searching feature. This feature enable a user to enter a word or phrase and computer quickly find and display that part of text where the word or phrase appear in textual information. For example, when we are going to search on Google Chrome, then as we type any word, then it provide us some options, list of options for similar type of text, and we can choose an appropriate type of text from the given. Next is hypertext. Hypertext means both presentation and the use of textual information can be enhanced greatly by using hypertext feature. Hypertext is a text which means by clicking on any particular text or any particular word, we can move to the related information to that particular word or that particular phrase. And next is text importing and exporting. It means task of creating a textual document can often be simplified greatly if a document preparation software has text importing feature. This is because some text that you want to incorporate in your document may be already existing as a file created by word processor or a database. Then we can import that file from that particular saved location that we have already saved into our computer. The next is graphics media. So what is graphic media? Computer graphics deals with generation, representation, manipulation and display of pictures like line drawings and images with the computer. So it is similarly displaying photographs of something is a type of graphic media. We have some hardware requirement for the graphic media. The very first is pointing device or locating device such as mouse, joystick or stylus. Next is digitizer scanners. Scanners are also used to scan any particular type of page and convert the information into digital format. Digitizers are used to input the graphic application for any kind of graphical image into computer presentation format or computer graphics format. Next is digital cameras. Digital cameras are also used to capture directly by any picture and share it to the and import it into the computer. Next one is computer screen with graphic display capability. It is also necessary hardware requirement. If we have not any proper resolution computer monitor screen, then we cannot able to display a proper graphic on our monitors. Next is laser printer and plotter. Laser printer used to print on an A4 or legal size page, and plotter are used to print on a big size page that are basically used by architectures or engineer or automobile engineer to particularly print any large building or any car or any machine design. Next, some software requirements for graphic is painting and drawing software. The best example is Paint, Corel Draw and any other graphic like Adobe Photoshop. There are some kind of computer drawing softwares. Screen capture software like snipping tools or screen recorders. By using them we can easily capture the screens. Clip art, graphic importing and software support for high resolution are some requirements for graphic media. Next is animation media. What is animation? Computer animation deals with generation, sequencing and display of a set of images to create an effect of visual change or motion similar to a movie or film. because just as a picture is a powerful way to illustrate information, a small animation clip is even more powerful than the simple picture and useful for illustrating concept involving movement. For example, in multimedia application and educating small children by using an animated clip is more effective in the case of illustrating it using any simple picture. Some hardware requirement for animation is image generation tool and devices such as scanners, digital cameras, and video capture board, infrared interfaced to some standard video sources like video camera, video cascader, or recorder. These are used to generate images for use of animation. Next is computer monitors are also hardware requirement for animation with the image display capability and the minimum requirement for outputting animation. In addition, multimedia computer system capable of handling animation also require a graphic accelerator board that not only control resolution, also maintain the color of displays and also refreshes the refresh rate of screen. Now some software requirements for animation animation multimedia, that is animation creation software, screen capture software, animation clips, transition effect, recording and playback capabilities are some softwares. Now we have virtual reality. What is virtual reality? Virtual reality is a relatively new technology using which the user can put a pair of goggles and a glove and tour the three-dimensional means 3D world that exists only in the computer but appear realistic to the user. That is called virtual reality. All the 3D and 4D graphics are form of virtual reality. It is also a type of animation. Next is audio media. What is audio media? A computer audio deals with synthesizing, recording, and playback of audio or sound with computer. Audio is yet another important component of multimedia because in many cases sound can sustainably reinforce our understanding of information presented in other ways. For example, the thing that is not very much clear from any animated or graphic multimedia, we can also get or capture that point from an audio media system. The hardware requirement for audio media is soundboard. Soundboard means AD and DA converters and some types of input devices like microphones, speaker output devices like speakers, sound synthesizers, sound editors, audio mixers are some hardware requirements for audio. Now we have some software requirement like sound editor, audio mixtures, sound synthesizer. They are also some comes in audio media. Some desirable feature of multimedia computer system are audio clips, audio file importing, software support for high quality sound, recording and playback capability, text to speech conversion software, speech to text conversion software are some audio media softwares. Now we have video media. Like animation, computer video deals with recording and display a sequence of images and a reasonable speed to create an impression of movement. Each individual image of sequence of image is called a frame. For a jerk-free full motion video, 20 to 30 frames have to be displayed per second. For creating a jerk-free means without any pause in the each second of the video. Like animation, video is also an important component of multimedia, and the hardwares that are required for video media is video camera to record video, video monitor is most commonly used output device for displaying video data, video board, it is equipped with AD and DA converter in addition to performing basic functions of conversion of video signals. Next is video editor. They are used to cut and paste video sequence, add special effect and create new video sequence from the existing video. They are commonly used hardware devices for processing video media. Now some desirable feature of multimedia computer system with video facility are video clips and recording and playback capabilities. There are also some software requirements for video media. Some multimedia applications. The very first multimedia application is multimedia presentation. Multimedia application can present information in a variety of forms like text, graphics, animations, audios, videos,